I am excited because today I'm gonna find out which Jamaican water tastes the best. Or should I say water or water or agua? Yeah man, I am excited and thirsty. So let's go. Woo! Well man. Slippers and socks to rock at Jamaica, you know. We don't even have snow. Lifespan, spring water. I cool, water. 876 Blue Mountain Spring Water. And we got Catherine Speak Water. First one we test is the Lifespan Spring Water. First of all, it has natural alkaline. You know, since we are create waves like the ocean, yeah.
When you're there, better your son, no the explosion, and we make the commotion.
Yeah. Nutritional facts: 100% water. Let me taste here now. Tastes like water. Room temperature. That one is nice, man. A little bitter though, but yeah. Yo, you weather kind of hot, you know, man. So you know what you're gonna get, you know? You drink some of this and you get I cool water. Nutritional facts. 100% water. Let me taste that one I know. That one is more sweet, you know. Ah man, tastes a little bit chlorine-ish. When it tastes like pipe water. It's not sweet. It needs a little bit of sugar in this. Alright, we move on. The next one is kind of top of the list. The one that we always talk about. This one is very famous. Maybe for the bottle, maybe the shape, or maybe the taste. We are gonna find out right now. Water, but does it have some wow in it?
That's my wow. Water with wow.
Nutritional facts again. 100% water. Ingredients: purified water. Alright. Alright. Oh, that one I say added niggas. I can't talk. What's the word?
Peanut butter.
A negligible amount of sodium and minerals added for taste. So them add taste to it. I don't know if them put like clear syrup in there or something. If you get like a taste, but I'm gonna taste here and see what's going on. Woo! Hold on, I'm thirsty. That one have one like aftertaste though. I don't know, I don't really like that one too much. I don't like this. Tastes like water, but it don't taste like water at the same time. You feel like whole heap of something in there, like them put things in there. So water, no. Take you up. Anything sweet, you go slow you. As a Jamaican, I realize that water have more use than just drinking. Cause my granny, if me get trouble, my granny see a water bottle, anything the first thing she say to take and fling, you know. Now this one coming up is a whole area code. They call it 876 water. 1876. Yeah man, Blue Mountain Spring Water. This seems natural, they put Blue Mountain on it. Your natural choice, naturally filtered by rich minerals. Got all natural water treating process. No additives, unlike preferred brands. Ooh, they have big chat. Oh, baby, have big taste. Perfect alkaline water, perfect. Like Ed Sheeran, whatever I name. You know what I talk about, right? Perfect tonight. Me come close for that one, yeah. Straight from the ice mountain in Jamaica. Blue Mountain.
Be water, my friend.
Nah, lie, that one you have a kick. No, you have 2 kick. Yeah, I don't like number 2. Oh, you have 3 kick in there, man. I never realized I saw them that taste good. This nice, man. That one that tastes good. This one I better one them. The one that tastes good. Nicely done. Blue Mountain. One of the best one them so far. Alright, let's move on. A woolly festa, man. Watch hot. Hot for days. This one, you know, I don't really like his name. It remind me of Hurricane. I don't really like Hurricane.
Everywhere here there are signs, both large and small, that Katrina was here.
Can't get to go to the door, house stopper blow off. Fair just go put on back, house stopper, be a thing. Catherine, speak. Natural alkaline, pH level 8. Pure spring water from the Blue Mountain. So that one also come from Blue Mountain. And then we can go up to Blue Mountain and catch some water and sell it too. What do you think? Good idea? Go to the Blue Mountain, just get some cups or whatever. I don't really see much on this nutritional facts. 100% water. I don't know what you expected, but they're all kind of the same, but not the same. Same difference. You know what? I don't think so. Let's see. Catherine, speak. What you have? Do you pack a punch or not? That one have the same taste like the 876. I guess it can. No, you have aftertaste. I don't like this. Oh, look up. Alright, aftertaste of this. I don't like it aftertaste another one, but. Alright. I think I overreact now. Hold on. You know what? I don't fully like that one. So you know what? I don't know. So in my defense, I think the best one out here is this one. The 876 water. I think this really got the wow in it.
Can I get a wow? Wow. What's a win? Wow. 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 Them like it. Wow.
Filling in blank space. Catch it. Can't say depot if you not say. If you're thirsty, what you drink? If you're not use booze, you go get her. So just tell me which one you rather. Yeah man, 876 water. You taste the best. Nah lie. Father. Watch your dog a suck. Drink up. You're gonna need the nutrients. That's a wrap. Yeah man, you know Jamaican Spiderman is here. 876 Spida. So you can get some merch. Yeah, remember to click subscribe, like, and share all my videos. There's a lot coming soon. I'm also gonna do some Spider-Man videos in public and all these sorts of stuff, but you have to stay tuned for that. Click the notification bell and stay tuned. Yeah man, outside.